Good hair day, who this? Huh? Ugh, do you mind? Hello?
What?
Look! Instead of a mouthful of donut, I got a mouthful of your hair! Ugh! Take that! Did you just throw food at me? You wanna play dirty? Stop it! Ugh! Oh yeah? Stop touching my donuts! I'll show you playing dirty!
No!
I just did my makeup! You brat! Ugh! What? Whoa! A challenge? No way! Well… This is the tiniest burger ever! What about mine? Now that's a real meal! It's so… Mind your biz! Shall we? 1, 2, 3… Ha! I win! I'm going in! Oh yeah! Wow! Don't forget to breathe! Can't hear you! Okay… That was fantastic! Huh? I'll get that! Oh boy! No! The boy! The boy who has my heart! Okay, now I'm ready.
Hey, girl. What's all over your face?
What? Oh, hold on a sec. All better. What's up?
Looking good. Mwah.
Aw, so sweet. Ew, gag me. Rude. Your turn. Okay. This thing sure is teeny-weeny. Bon appetit. That's pretty good. Huh? Oh no! Look out! What now? Your burger?
What?
My burger? What? Ugh, is that a tongue? Gross! Burger got your tongue! Oh, gross! Whoa! Where's he going? Stop. Let me go first. Ta-da! Wow! A cake! Seriously? And for me? What on earth is that? Eat it! You first! Gladly. One big slice coming right up. Come to mama. So cute and delicious. And it's all mine. Check it out. Wait! This isn't very sweet. No! Not the salt! Stop that! This is a disaster! This is gonna be delicious. Gross! Water, please! All better now? Oops. My bad. Let me help you. Whoa! Easy there, okay? Ow! Am I getting it all? Okay. Whew. Thank goodness. That's not normal. And neither is this pie. Oh boy. Whoa! Cherry explosion! Fresh dough, too! Just look at that! All from scratch? Roll, baby, roll! It's rising! Cherries, cherries everywhere! So juicy! Wow! Gimme! What? More! I need more! She's like a wild beast. I don't understand. Good to the last bite. What? Are you jealous? More dishes. And… Look, not bad. Wait, what? What's wrong? Where is it? Hey. This is for you, okay? You like pasta, right? This stuff's fresh, too. Plate, please. Okay. You'll thank me later. Is this enough? Any sauce? You people and your sauce. Actually, I've got your sauce. Wait! Your faces. You want sauce? You've got it. See? It's right here. Mixy mixy. Bon appetit. Can't forget the garnish. Oh gosh. Is it really edible? It smells really good. Mop pasta? Let's do this. First bite coming in hot. Wow, this is incredible! Who knew? What the? How did this get in there? Gross, gross, gross! Ugh, not funny. Finally, it's my turn. That's weird. I must be tired or something. Ooh, fruit. Never mind. You don't want it? I'll take it. This stuff's really good. Hey. Can I? What? Gross! Are those bees? That's crazy. Crazy gross! Pickle! It's actually pretty tasty. No, never mind. Oh? Way too salty! Now what? I'm alright. Salty goodness. This is really good. Salt! Keep going, keep going! Are you insane? Huh? I know. Hold nice and still, okay? What? So handsome. Anyway, I've got some work to do. Don't worry, I've got you, girl. Whew, intense. Thanks. Your face. What do you mean? What is that thing? What did you do? So annoying. Now go. Fine. What are these anyway? The colors are pretty at least. Here goes nothing. Oh, wow! What about this one? So squishy. Huh? This tastes like a locker room! Ugh. Intriguing. I wonder if I could… Oh, that's it! Ha ha! I've done it! Anyway. Let's see. Oh! Just what I need. They're perfect! Look at all these specimens! Yep, that's it! I can see their flavors! But she can't! I'd love to try one! Really? I guess that's okay. Have at it. Yep, this one. See? And I want this one. Cheers! Yep. Ugh! This tastes like garbage! Maybe this one's better. Maybe. Wait, is that garlic? Watermelon, baby! Another? Okay, fine. Let's see. What's with the goggles? Well… let me see those. They look normal. Well… I knew it! You've been cheating! Go cry about it. I don't believe you. It's my turn now.